Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to hide online status in Facebook. So to do that, first thing is you open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you're at the Facebook, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. From there, you need to scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy, tap on it. In the Setting and Privacy, tap on Settings. Now once you're at this page, you need to scroll down and you need to look for audience and visibility. There at the very end, you will have the active status option. You tap that. Currently your setting is set as you're active. That is, Facebook will show you that you are active in it. For you to hide it, you need to tap on the toggle, moving it to the left side. Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and connection are active, recently active, or in a chat with you. Tap on turn off. Now this will hide you as well, and you will also not be able to see who are active on Facebook. But even after you hide your status, you can still use the services if active status is off. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.